Man, look at that train. It looks so good in that shot. Why is there a dude here?
It was brunette.
Oh, well.
Or are you just gonna put him there? The guard, but no one else is there.
There we go. Ah! He died. Good. You can't see him behind Bulgy. That's one way to solve the issue. Just peering over the edge. Okay, you ready?
Like, taking a picture of the Gronk because it looks so, like, he's staring.
Oh, wait, this is recording. Okay, you ready to start moving? Not yet. Okay. Wait, no. Okay. I can take over.
Tough shot. None of that was on shot, I don't think.
Nah, I am recording. Okay.
You ready?
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, not yet. Alright. Looks good. Okay. Wait, not yet. Just gonna... His face looks wrong. I'm just gonna... Yeah. Oh, no.
I just felt it on my head and just accepted it.
Okay. I think it's... Okay.
Why is the...
Okay, we're good. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, go. Here, I can take over. All right, perfect.
Amazing.
Yeah, it's perfect. That's just wonderful. This is gonna be the best video anyone has ever seen.
Amazing.
I think people are gonna love this video, right?
Yeah.
Tally ho on the tally flim. Oh god. It's Handel. He's real. Oh god.
I was just hoping you'd just keep going.
Funnel stand.
God, can you imagine if we just hit him at the end of the train and he just started pushing it?
Oh Jesus.
Also did a good gimmick. Yeah, buddy, yeah. Can't speak. Kaboom.
He's gonna like burn your tracks. He's gonna. So
Great Western, whatever they're called.
here, let me wait. It's not shot yet. Okay, wait, hold up, wait, hold up, wait, hold up, wait, hold up.
I'm trying to get the guy out of there so we can stand him up again.
Okay, they're in shot now. I know who can pull them. Actually, nah. All right, just
Are
push
you
them.
recording?
Yeah. Nice going. Me too. And nothing of value was lost. Henry the Green Engine has lived on the island of Sodor for many years. He wouldn't want to be anywhere else. He liked every part of it, from the fields filled with flowers to the white sandy beaches. But there is one place that Henry has always enjoyed visiting more than any other. His driver knew this too. "Come on, Henry," he would sometimes say. "We made good time today. We'll stop for a while by the forest." Henry loved it here. The forest was full of broad oaks and tall pines. Henry could remember the day long ago when he and Toby brought some new trees to be planted, and Terrence and Trevor helped haul them into place. Now he could see the trees growing amongst the others on the hillside. Henry always felt better for being here. He couldn't really explain why, but his driver understood. "It's peaceful," he said to Henry. But one night, everything changed. The engines were resting in the shed. "Listen," said Thomas. "Can you hear a strange whistling sound?" "It's the wind blowing outside our shed," replied Toby. "But I never heard it like this before." "Do you know," added James, "if Gordon wasn't here now, I'd say it was him thundering by with the express." All the engines laughed, except Henry. "I hope the wind doesn't harm the forest." By morning, the fierce winds had gone, but the damage was done. Henry's driver came to see him in the yard. "Trees have fallen on the line," he said. "We must help clear the tracks." Donald set off with the breakdown train, and Henry followed. Trees lay everywhere. The hillside now looked so bare. Henry felt sad. What will happen to all the animals who live here? He thought. When Henry's black cars were full of logs, he took them to the timber mill where they'd be turned into furniture and other things. Henry was glad the wood was being put to good use, but he still felt sorry to lose part of his forest. "Oh dear," sighed Toby to Thomas. "I wish there was something we could do to make things better again." "Yes, indeed," replied Thomas. "But what? We can't mend broken trees." "Hello, Toby," said Sir Topham Hatt. "You do look glum." "I'm sad about the trees," said Toby. "And so is Henry. The forest is a special place to him. Now some of it is gone." "We'll soon put that right," replied Sir Topham Hatt. "I have an important job for you, Toby. I would like you to take some freight cars to the forest." When the freight cars arrived, Toby was delighted. They were full of splendid young trees all ready for planting. "This is the best job I've ever had," said Toby happily. When Henry returned, he was most surprised. There were Terrence and Trevor busily helping the workmen clear the torn stumps and branches. "Look, Henry," called Terrence, "we're beginning again. The hillside will look better than before. You'll see." Now, whenever Henry stops by the forest, he could see the new trees growing strong and tall. Sometimes, everywhere is quiet, and at other times, Henry could hear leaves rustling or a bird's wing brush against the air. Often, he can hear the distant sound of children laughing, and always, he is happy here. Wait, did you actually watch this whole video? Why? There's nothing of value. This whole video was pointless. Go away.